getting ready to put the new passengers on. They're putting all the supplies for the next cruise on. And there's everybody heading out. Had the best time. Just wanted to show you. Okay, we're on our way out. And if you can't remember where you need to be or you lose your paper in the morning, they've got it right here. So these are the elevators. And we noticed this on the other levels as well. There you go. Okay, these are the shops of Princess area. Just going through on our way out. Okay, now we're going the opposite way. Thank you. The ship is still beautiful even on the way home. Can't really see the whole thing right now. See you. Bye. There, now we can see the whole ship. It's still so beautiful, and we'll be back before we know it. We don't know when yet, but we'll all be back. Sorry. And they have you go to baggage claim. Looks like we're gonna go down the escalator. Come down the baggage claim. Figure out where to find our luggage. Thank you. If you didn't know how this works, unless you get the package that takes your luggage to the airport and checks it for you, you just come here, you find your tag color, see like green, orange, yellow, and you come right down and look for your bag. So we're yellow 3.
Hello.
Hi there. Okay, so this is one. I'll turn that off. You can see. Oops. Okay, sorry, my hands were full in there. You get your luggage. Then we threw in the things that were liquids that we had out the night before, and then as you leave that building, you have to show your passport. So have that ready, or your ID, whatever it is you brought for that. And then you just head right out here, and they have people to direct you the whole way. So we're just in this long line to get on a bus. But it looks like it's moving good, so. There's lots of cabs if you were hoping to get a cab. There's lots and lots of those.
You're in the right line. Thank you very much for your patience. Just getting everybody on coach and then.
It's a nice big ship, and they have these guys. Here, it doesn't cost extra. Of course, you need to tip them. But they'll bring your luggage for if you want, because at this point you still have your luggage. You put it on the bus you ride on. When you get to the airport, you get it back and check it.
Yeah, are you cruising again with us?
And they have plenty of those people.
I do.
I think that over there is where the Ubers would be picking you up. Across from the cabs there.
Oh, I've done that one.
But they've got lots of people just waiting.
Star Princess with Captain McCabe Tubo or Captain Bye-Bye. You guys know him?
Yeah.
Okay, and I just wanted to tell everybody that down here at the end of the bus lane, they have shuttles to the parking area. So if you're driving here and parking, you'll just be able to catch a shuttle right up to where you're parked. So I just wanted to let you know that. And here we go. Just leaving. It's moved along really well, very smoothly. Included the time we pulled over and I crammed things into our suitcase last night, so I think it's gone really well. Maybe that's where you catch your Uber. It said ride at base ride share, so I bet that's where the Uber is. I think those other cars up by the taxis were probably people that had friends or family to pick them up. Walking down here to our gate and came across this on the wall and thought everybody might like to see it. It's just kind of fun. This is the Ruby Princess in the picture. Just thought everybody might like to see. This is kind of fun. So, okay, we'll just head on down to our gate again. We'll keep going. We're in the same terminal we came into, so there's really not too much to show. So, talk to you again soon.